Today, aerospace engine components and avionics systems are being designed for longer engine service life, pushing the limits of existing technology. Dymax light-curable materials address the growing challenges and demands for innovative technologies for applications in the avionics, aerospace, and defense industry. Dymax products offer many benefits that can help manufacturers increase throughput, decrease rework and costs, and improve overall product performance. Speed mask maskants and conformal coatings are used for protection of components during surface treatment processes, as well as printed circuit boards during wave solder and reflow processes. The products are all one-part formulations, have no solvents added, and cure in seconds upon exposure to the proper wavelength of LED or broad-spectrum UV visible light. These features help reduce environmental impact, providing a green alternative to solvent-based chemistries. Speed mask maskants replace time-consuming wax, tape, and lacquer application methods. They provide superior protection with one layer of material and conform to complex and intricate configurations, so no additional investment is needed for design changes or new components. The maskants are easily applied, cured quickly with light energy, and removed by incineration during heat treat or heat tint operations, or by peeling. Residue-free surfaces after proper light cure means masked parts are immediately ready for production. Conformal coatings help streamline assembly processes in high reliability applications because they can be applied, cured, and shipped immediately, eliminating the time-consuming steps associated with other types of conformal coatings. Secondary heat and moisture cure capability is available for PCB shadow areas, and many coatings have UL 94 ratings in IPC and mil-spec approvals. Additional features for both types of products include LED and broad-spectrum light cure, color change for confirmation of full cure, and blue fluorescing tracers for post-cure inspection. For more information on Dymax light-curable materials for aerospace and defense applications, contact our application engineering team.